Okay, this is an example of multiplying binomial radical expressions. It is the check understanding from example 4 on page 375. Okay. This is an example of a binomial radical expression. It's binomial because it's two terms, and it's radical because each term has a radical in it. Actually, only one radical would have been enough to call it a binomial radical expression. Now, we need to rewrite this as square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3, because that's what it means to square something. Okay, now the process to multiply is the same process that we've used to multiply binomials in the past, FOIL. So first we will multiply the first terms, the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Okay, then we'll multiply the outer terms, the square root of 2 times negative square root of 3, or square root of 2 square root of 3. Okay, then we'll multiply the square root of 2 times negative square root of 3. And finally, we'll do the last terms, negative square root of 3 times negative square root of 3. Well, the negative times negative makes plus. And we have square root of 3 times square root of 3. Simplify. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 equals 2. The square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 6. Okay? Once again, the square root of 6. And the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3. Okay, combine terms where you can. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And negative square root of 6 minus square root of 6 equals 2 times the square root of 6.